All right, this is the June Gold video for the week of Monday, May 13th. Bear in mind, I'm going to be showing daily charts only. So these numbers will change throughout the week, but the purpose of the video is just to kind of give you an overall sense of the market dynamic as we come into the new week. We've had this, as you can see, this 1288.5 descending speed line, which has performed well the last few days, capturing highs for the day. It is a weekly containment level. It's also, an upward pivot point into later May. But holding below it, 1288.5, should actually yield a retest of 1269.8 long-term support, which is another speed line, but much longer term in nature. It can actually absorb selling into June, as I've been mentioning. It is rising gradually. It did capture the highs a week and a half ago or so. I'm sorry, the lows. And in fact, holding above 1269.8, as I've been mentioning, should over the next 3 to 5 weeks yield a 1321.5 structure. The pivot point along the way is 1288.5. So if we happen to close Monday above 1288.5, and that is dropping daily through the week, you'll be reminded of that on a day-to-day basis, would indicate 1310.2 by the end of this week, with the next 2 to 3 weeks likely to yield that 1321.5 channel top, where the June contract can actually top out into expiration. And that level, by the way, is also a meaningful upside pivot point into July trade. I'll talk a lot about that and the targets if we violate that level, but at this point in time, it's a bit of a moot point. Let's talk Monday itself. 1280.1 can contain session weakness, but if we close below 1280.1 on Monday, then 1269.8 is expected within several days, where once again we can bottom out into June, and above which 1321.5 remains a 3 to 5 week upside target. Now, if we close below 1269.8, that would actually indicate a good contract high. Bearish continuation then expected over the next several weeks to 1235.9, which I can show you right here. 1235.9 is a descending channel bottom that would become essentially a 2 to 3 week target if we settle below 1269.8. A 1235.9 likely to contain weekly selling pressures when tested. But overall, this 1189.3 low from last August would be in reach possibly by June expiration if we settle below 1269.8 anytime soon. And that is really, let's see here. Yeah, that's all I have to say actually for the week of Monday, May 13th.